It comes in the box. Package in. Take it out the package. Once you cut off all the straps, you have these two holes on both sides. On this side and on this side, two people lift. You can lift up the box and you'll be able to see what's inside. It had plastic on it, so you cut the plastic off once you take it off the box. And this box here was screwed on right here. Inside box, remote, manual, and power cord. Inside the box. Okay, this is the chair out the box in the position where it's going to be used. So as you can see, it's pretty cool. It has a remote. This is the remote for it. And matter of fact, let me show you how it works. It's plugged in and stuff, and I'll tell you later. Oh, on the back of this thing is a switch. Let's see. Okay. Hit the switch. That'll make the remote blink. And you hit the power. I'll just hit a program. Okay, with the power button. As you can see, it's reclining. It's pretty quiet. The feet lift up. And when the feet lift up, I'm going to show you something about it, okay? That'll be the only assembly that you have to do is when the feet lift up. It's just a bar with the cotter pin, and you just got to put those two together. Okay, I'm under the chair now. This is the assembly you got to put together. It's this bar here, along with this bar, and you have this cotter pin right here that you take out, and then you pull the pin out, and then you put these two bars together, put the pin back in, stick the cotter pin back in, and then you're good to go. You'll be ready to use your chair.